Welcome back to Sarah's Bites, everyone. Today we're going to be making some cute little purple Halloween cupcakes, and they are going to be vanilla cupcakes with the vanilla buttercream frosting. So let's get started. Get your stand mixer out, and you're going to beat a half a cup of unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar for about a minute or so on medium speed. I'll have all the ingredients listed below in the description and also on my website at sarahsbites.com if you guys just wanted to read them off. And let's grab your bowl, and we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together so that we can add them later. You're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and just mix it all together. At this point, your batter has been mixing for about a minute or so you're going to grab your 2 room temperature eggs and add them in and turn the speed up to high. After about 10 to 15 more seconds, go ahead and turn the mixer off and be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl down. As you can tell here, mine tends to stick to the bottom because I do need to lower my paddle a little bit more, so it is important to scrape the sides down to get everything incorporated. Turn the mixer back on, and you'll go ahead and add your 1/2 cup of milk. Then add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and we'll go ahead and start to incorporate the flour. I split mine in 2 just so that you don't have flour flying all over the place. Let everything mix together again for another 30 seconds. So all in all, you shouldn't be mixing this batter no more than 3 minutes tops for everything. And as you can tell here, it does get pretty thick, so you don't want to mix any longer or they won't be fluffy when they come out of the oven. Get whatever cupcake liners you have. I had some really cute Halloween themed ones, and your cookie scoop or a spoon, and get these in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. While the cupcakes are cooling off, you're gonna make the vanilla buttercream frosting. So you're gonna need 1 cup of unsalted butter and 3 cups total of powdered sugar. So I just split mine into 3 and kind of mushed it cup by cup into the butter, because if I would have just thrown 3 cups of powdered sugar all at once with this butter, it would have been a lot harder to mix. And if you throw it in a mixer, you will have powdered sugar flying everywhere. I have learned my lesson on that one. So just use your spoon or spatula to sort of beat the sugar into the butter until it starts to form together, and then we'll use a handheld mixer to mix everything together. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and then 1 tablespoon of whole milk. You may need to add a little bit more milk if you need it to be less thick, but that's just something that you will have to eyeball or taste to get the consistency that you want. And I just used a spatula here at the end to sort of make sure the sides were scraped down and no dry powdered sugar was left anywhere. And then I did use a purple gel food coloring. I do find that the liquid food coloring will change the consistency of your icing. So be sure that if you use the liquid kind, do not put milk in the icing, because you will notice that consistency is definitely different. When you're done with that icing, grab your piping bag and start to decorate those cupcakes. Just make sure that they are completely cooled off or the frosting will melt right off of them. That's it, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these videos, and if you guys have any more suggestions or recommendations for recipes, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching these. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me anything in the comments below. Thanks for watching.